What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and we back again with a new video. We looking a little fancy today, but yeah. So you guys, anyways, so I got this hair off from Amazon, and I purchased it from a company called Beyond Beauty. Now I used their hair before. I used a spring twist hair back in February 2019, and yeah, so this is their passion twist, and I purchased the color 1B. Why? I don't know. I should have just got the color 1. I think this was the only color they had, but usually I get a color 2 because that's my color. But yeah, the hair is super soft. It is so lightweight. It's super easy to install. It's just like, it feels like I don't even have anything on my head right now. The hair is 14 inches. I got my notes. I got 10 packs, and in each pack 12 strands come in the pack. So I used 9 packs. I got one more pack left, and this is that. Because once I opened it up and I counted the hair, I'm like, wait a minute, like, is this gonna even be enough? But it's enough. And like, I was able to go in and fill in the spaces that I had forgot to do. So yeah, this is just what the hair looks like. It's so bouncy. It's super duper cute. I love it. Like, this is gonna be my hairstyle for the next couple of weeks. And yes, like, I love it. It's so lightweight, y'all. I kid y'all not. So lightweight. But anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I will leave a link to this hair if y'all want to check it out. If you're interested, I highly recommend it. The install is ridiculous because the loop, you can stretch it so wide to install it, and the hair still look cute. So that's a plus for me, because I hate loops that you gotta struggle to like open it so you can put it on the latch hook and pull it through. We don't have time for that. But all right, you guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.